Question number 5, the fifth one.
कोई इंसिस्ट करता है आपको आने के लिए यहाँ पे?
सबको कोरोना से डर है।
तो इंग्लिश में आगे से क्या है?
67
तो आया।
देखना पड़ेगा मार्क्स। Yeah. Which exercise we were on? Which chapter? Logic. Okay. Had I completed question 5, the fifth part?
Yes, sir. We need to do the activities.
Okay. नहीं नहीं होनी चाहिए, बस एक बस है, ठंडा ही है ना? नहीं नहीं, अभी आज काफी ठंडा है, अब मैंने सर्विसिंग करवाया उसका। Yeah. If P double implication Q and P implication Q are both true. Now, when can P implication Q be true? It is true when it is not TF. If it is TF, it is F. Remaining for all the combinations TT, FF, and FT, it is T. Similarly, when is P double implication Q? When is P double implication Q true? It is true when both are true or when both are false. So, if both are true, both of them are true, they both are true, then we can rule out FT for the time being. Have you followed this? So it should be TTFF, or that is both the statements should be T or both the statements should be F for this to be true. That is, both P and Q have to be true or both have to be false. Now, if both are true, then what about P or Q? If both P and Q are true, what is P or Q? True, true, or. In case of disjunction, both F would give me F, remaining all are true, so this would be true. In case of both are false, if both are false, F or F would give me false. Next, what about P and Q? If both are true, T and T, then this would be true. If both are false, F and F, then this would be false. Just give me 1 sec. Here.
Sir,
Yeah.
what is for first two boxes?
What? What did you say?
What will be the answer for first two boxes?
Yeah, here P equal to T and Q equal to T, or P equal to F and Q equal to F. Followed?
Okay.
P equal to T and Q equal to T, or followed?
Yes.
R is smallest prime number. Q. Pune is in Maharashtra and P is 9 into 5 is 45. Now, is this true? Yes. Is this true? Yes. This is false. Here, now they have asked you what is P and Q and R. So it would be P is true and R is false. Now true and true. This is 1 into 1, that is 1, T and F. This is T and F, 1 into 0, that is 0, so it is F. Not of P and R is equal to not of P is true and R is false. 1 into 0 is 0, so this is false, this is true. Third, P implication Q. So P is true implies true. ITFF. So TF is F, otherwise it is true. So it is T. Next. Four T's 4F, 2 T's 2F, 2 T's 2F, TF, 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 Q implies R. So implication ITFF, TF would be F, TF would be F, remaining all are true. Then R implication P, TF would be F, TF would be F, remaining all are T. Then when I take OR in between, I get this is OR in between. So disjunction 2F would give me F. Remaining all would be T. All are T. The given statement pattern is tautology. With this, I put an end to logic.